Hello everyone, I am Neha Kazi from Leelavati Lalji Dayal High School and College of Commerce. In our English grammar lesson today, we are going to talk about no sooner than. So let us see how do we use this, how do we replace it in the sentence and what work it does. So to show that one thing happens immediately after another thing, we use no sooner. It is the negative of as soon as. So mostly you will be getting a sentence of as soon as and then you have to replace it with no sooner. It can be used only in a sentence in which two actions take place. Because we have already seen here that we have to show that one thing happens immediately after another thing. So obviously there have to be two actions in your sentence. All right, let us see how do we do it. Let's see the rules. So first thing we have to remove the words as soon as and we have to use the words no sooner than. Okay. So we will use no sooner do for the present tense, no sooner did for the past tense, no sooner does for verb plus s. Okay. You have to keep this in mind, students. For the present tense, we have the word do. Past tense, it is did. Verb plus s, it is does. And your do, does, did is always followed by the first form of the verb. So let us now see the structure so that we understand this in a better manner. So here we have the structure. Let's use this with the help of examples. So look at this. We have no sooner. Then again, depending on the tense of the sentence, we use either does, do or did. Then we have the subject, the first action, then the word than, again the subject and the second action. Let's use our example here and then we can understand this. As soon as my father enters the house, I give him a glass of water. So according to our rules, we have to replace as soon as with no sooner. No sooner does my father enter the house, then I give him a glass of water. So as you can see here, students, the second action remains as it is. We're not changing anything in the second action. But here, in the first half, we have replaced as soon as with no sooner. All right, now this is verb plus s, enters. So we have used the word does. No sooner does my father enter the house. We've already seen in the rules that whether it is do, does or did, it is always followed by the first form of verb. So enters will become enter. No sooner does my father enter the house, then I give him a glass of water. So we replace the comma with the word then. Let us see one more example. As soon as the teacher entered, the students got up. Same, we will follow this structure. No sooner did. Why we are using the word did? Because here it is entered, which means past tense. For past tense, we are using the word did. So no sooner did the teacher enter, then the students got up. So entered became enter, comma, we replaced it with the word then, and the second action remains as it is. The students got up. You remember the structure, students, so you can solve your sentence accordingly. He helped me as soon as he found me in difficulty. Now here we do not have as soon as starting the sentence, but still we have to replace it. So no sooner did he find me in difficulty, then he helped me. All right, now here you have to understand which is the first action and which is the second action. So as soon as he found me in difficulty, so he found me in difficulty becomes our first action. So we use no sooner and we use this. So no sooner did he find me in difficulty, then he helped me. So he helped me remained as it is over here. Found became find, and because it is past tense, we use the word did. All right, students, that's all in no sooner. You just remember the structure and you'll be good to go with the topic. Thank you so much.